Steve here, Shen RC. I just want to show you I got some stuff here, guys. In this box from Asia Tees Hobbies. I got a new yellow body for my 1/24th scale truck. I got two new sets of wheels. I ordered these Rc4Wd 1/24th scale tires that are rock locks. Put this aside. But I found out these wheels that come on the little ECX, FTX, and RGT, they're smaller, a hair smaller. You could see I put it on. You could see the bead only goes on the outer edge, it doesn't go in. So if I'm going to glue these on, I'm going to glue them on like how they are right now, with just the bead, outer bead, glued on the outside of the rim. Just like that, to try them out, because they don't fit for some reason. I don't know why. The wheels are a hair smaller, they made them. Stupid. I don't know why they did that. Anyhow, that's what I'm going to do with mine. And I also have another pair of Rc4Wd drive tires coming. I think they're the Super Swampers I think I got. So I'm going to try putting this body on and maybe putting the Super Swampers on. I'm going to see if I could put these on like this. I don't know, maybe I could go around the wheel with something to make it a little larger. We'll see. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I got. Here you can see the difference in size. The Rc4Wd drive tires are a little larger. And also I wanted to show you guys, they have foams in them. And they're soft. They're not that hard, so I guess you could leave the foams in them. Okay guys, next video I'll have the yellow body on my truck with the new tires and wheels, if I could get them mounted on the wheels good. And I'll show you that. But I want to wait until I get the other Rc4Wd drive tires, the Super Swampers, because I think they'll look awesome. But anyhow, please sub, like, I appreciate the support. Hit that bell so you get my videos all the time. And take care, and I'll see you next time.